Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making hot coffee, so let's get started. In a container, add sugar as per your taste, coffee, water, and mix it. You can use fork, it will take time. It starts turning into light brown and creamy. The coffee cream is ready. Now boil the milk. You can make a froth with the help of fork. And the milk is ready. Now add 2 teaspoons of coffee. Pour hot milk. Mix it with the help of spoon and the hot coffee is ready. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share it with your friends, family members. Thanks for watching.